Do you know the process of fat digestion can be explained in four different steps? Step number one is mechanical digestion. The process of fat digestion starts in the mouth. Breaking and mixing of food with enzyme lingual lipase happens in the mouth. Step number two is churning and breaking of fat, that is triglycerides. It happens in stomach. Lingual lipase and pancreatic lipase get activated in high pH. It breaks the large lipid fat globules into small globules. Step number three, emulsification in small intestine. Bile from the liver is stored in the gallbladder and released in small intestine. This bile emulsifies the fat or lipid globules and forms micelles. These micelles are then transported on the intestinal wall. Step number four is the diffusion of this micelle into the intestinal wall. These micelles move at the edge of the microvilli and they diffuse into the epithelial cells. Formation of chylomicrons. These fat droplets started breaking into further small drops and interacted with more enzymes, forming chylomicrons. Chylomicrons transfer lipid from small intestine into the blood vessels. Chylomicrons' function is to transport triglycerides from the intestine to the liver, muscles, and adipocytes. So the summary for how does fat digestion work in the body is: mouth, mechanical digestion and mixing of lingual lipase enzyme; stomach, activation of lingual and pancreatic lipase enzyme, churning and breaking of the fat; small intestine, breaking of lipid globules into small fatty acids; micelles are formed with bile; epithelial cells of the intestine, absorption in the intestinal wall, chylomicron formation, and transportations of fatty acid to other organ.